to Laverty Falls. Beautiful waterfall, guys. We made it down here to Laverty Falls in Fundy National Park. Sorry for the shouting, I just hope you can hear me over the noise of the waterfalls. It's looking absolutely spectacular. You'll have seen in that little video clip there, beautiful falls. What I've done is actually used a couple of lenses. I tried the 55 to 200 and zoomed in on some of the details in the waterfall. Some nice rocks in the foreground. And I had the Tiffin polarizer and the Hoya 4-stop on. And then I zoomed in and picked out some detail in the falls themselves. Varied my shutter speeds, going from like a 15th of a second all the way to a couple of seconds, just to get different effects on the water. Also tried a longer exposure of 10 seconds, which was a wider scene, including some of the rocks in the foreground. Absolutely amazing waterfall. I thought I had to rush because the sun was going to hit it, but the sun's gone behind the trees. So I think I'm good for a while here. Going to try a whole bunch more images. So this morning I'm shooting with my trusty Fujifilm XT30. I've got the 18 to 55 kit lens and the 55 to 200. So I'm using the XT30, and I must say I've been using it for a year and a half now, and I absolutely love it. At least I got some company this morning, which is a good thing. Say hello. No, it's been enjoyable this morning. Started off with some beautiful sunrise at Waterside Beach, so you're going to see some of those images as well. Did some detailed shots in the sand and stuff like that. So yeah, you're going to see them too. This is beautiful. We had a lot of rain yesterday, so the falls is flowing pretty fast, as you can tell. So for this image I've picked out, there's a kind of a sharp looking rock there in front of the waterfall, and I've kind of got that and part of the waterfall in the background. Focused on the rock at f11. Give me a shutter speed of 5 seconds at ISO 80. So I'm going to do that, then I'm going to crank the ISO up to maybe a couple of hundred and see if I can get a shot maybe around a second exposure, something like that. Just to get the different motion patterns in the water. And I'm using a 55 to 200. And I forgot to put the timer on, so I'm going to do it again. Really love this 55 to 200 for picking out details. It's absolutely fantastic. There we go, timer's on this time. 5 seconds. And I'm quite happy with that. Crank the ISO up a little bit. ISO 400 gives me a second. So water's still going to be blurred, but not quite as much in the previous image. Actually, that's way better. I'm going to do one more. Crank the ISO up again. 800 ISO will give me half a second. I'm shooting on aperture priority. I know I could go shutter priority, but I just prefer aperture priority. Yeah, that's good. That was Laverty Falls. We had to leave. There was quite a few people there with all the restrictions going on right now. There's quite a crowd gathering at the waterfalls. It was kind of a rush job, but we still managed to get some good images. And we're just heading up the trail now. Spin you around. Some glorious colour here. There's Lisa in the background there, and some absolutely glorious colour. It's past its peak obviously, and we had a lot of wind and rain last night which took a lot of leaves down off the trees, but still enjoyable nonetheless. We're just heading back to the car now. But yeah, it was a really good day out. Fujifilm, I think, got some fantastic images as always. I'll catch you in a bit when I get to the top here. So what a fantastic day out that was, guys. Started off with some fantastic sunrise at Waterside beach and managed to get some nice images there. Then on to Laverty Falls, absolutely fantastic. The falls are flowing really fast, got some good images. Like I said in the clip, we had to leave sooner than we wanted to. Basically the place got packed with people, and with all the sort of COVID restrictions and stuff going on, it just didn't feel comfortable being around that many people, so we moved away before it got too crowded. I did say I was going to film a piece to camera when I got to the top of the hill, and I did. Filmed a really nice ending to the video. I have no idea what happened to that piece of footage. It's gone. So this is the ending to the video. It was fantastic to have Lisa along, not just for the company, which was awesome, but she also managed to get some great handheld video footage, and she grabbed a fantastic image of two eagles on the way home that were on a log quite a bit from shore out in the Bay of Fundy there. With her bridge camera with a massive 600mm zoom on it, she managed to get a close-up of them. It's not the best image as far as being usable for anything, but nonetheless she captured a great image, and I'll stick that at the end as well. Overall, fantastic day out, fantastic images. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Really means a lot to me. Thanks for all supporting the channel. Cheers for now. what I've done is actually don't do that. I hate it when people are making faces behind the camera. Oh. Someone's making faces at me. Say hi.
Hi.
You can't hear her anyway.